This is how I'm going to connect this coax cable to a splitter without using an F plug. I'm stripping back the outer insulation, pulling back the braid. I'm going to trim up the foil and then twist it together. Next I'm going to cut off the inner part of the insulation to reveal the copper core. So I'll trim it up, and the earth part is now going to be used not around the actual connection itself, but by using the earth connector to connect it. So that's it. That's how you can connect it without using an F plug. Thank you for watching. If you could subscribe, I'd be most grateful. Thank you very much.